Hey, skincare enthusiasts, want great skin without spending a fortune? You're in the right place. Good skincare doesn't have to be expensive. We'll explore simple steps and affordable products for healthy, glowing skin. Let's get started. Cleansing is the first step to clear skin. It removes dirt, oil, and impurities. Look for gentle cleansers without harsh chemicals. Cetaphil and CeraVe are great affordable options. Remember to cleanse twice a day, morning and night, for best results. Moisturizing keeps your skin hydrated and healthy. It prevents dryness and improves skin texture. Choose a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. CeraVe and Vanicream offer budget-friendly options for different skin types. Apply moisturizer after cleansing, both morning and night. Sunscreen is crucial for protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays. It prevents sunburn, premature aging, and skin cancer. Look for broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Apply sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days. Reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. DIY skincare, fun and frugal. Want to try homemade skincare? DIY options can be fun and effective. A simple honey mask can moisturize and soothe your skin. Oatmeal masks are great for exfoliating. Always do a patch test before applying DIY masks to your entire face. Budget-friendly brand spotlight. Many drugstore brands offer excellent skincare products at affordable prices. CeraVe, Cetaphil, and La Roche-Posay are known for their gentle yet effective formulations. Don't be afraid to explore and find what works best for your skin. The power of consistency. The key to achieving your skincare goals is consistency. Stick to your routine daily for the best results. It takes time for your skin to adjust to new products and for you to see noticeable improvements. Be patient, be consistent, and enjoy the journey to healthier skin. Skincare doesn't have to break the bank. Achieving healthy, radiant skin doesn't require expensive products or complicated routines. By incorporating these simple tips and budget-friendly products, you can achieve amazing results without breaking the bank. Remember, skincare is about finding what works best for you and your skin. Join the skincare fun. So, are you ready to embark on your affordable skincare journey? Share your favorite budget-friendly skincare tips and products in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lifestyle fun.